This is the Kwik Loc converter dolly. The Kwik Loc converter dolly allows a roadway tractor to be used in a 2-axle or 3-axle configuration, permitting its use with 28-foot trailers, a standard 45-foot trailer, or a 48-foot trailer. The Kwik Loc is basically an axle with a sliding fifth wheel. The tongue and framework are designed to slide into the frame of the tractor for use in pulling a 45 or 48, or it can be used as a towing axle between trailers. The individual parts of the Kwik Loc system include fifth wheel stay pins on both the tractor and Kwik Loc, the tractor pintle hook operated by the control lever in the cab, the pintle hook safety pin, tractor glad hands, service and emergency, and the tractor light cord receptacle. The parts of the Kwik Loc include the lunette eye, handholds, safety chains, light cord, service airline, and emergency airline. The adjustable support leg and its components include the crank, pins put in side holes or in adjustable support leg pivot holes, the handle, and the wheel, airlines for connection from the Kwik Loc to the rear trailer or middle trailer of a set, dummy glad hands, and the Kwik Loc brake control valve. Let's see how these various components of the Kwik Loc system are used in actual operating conditions. First, we'll convert from the 3-axle to the 2-axle configuration, and we'll start at the point where the driver or switcher has spotted this incoming 48. Because the hookup and drop procedures require you to get into and out of the tractor, it's important to understand and practice safety every time you enter or leave the cab. Always use the 3-point contact method. This means getting 3 limbs in solid, safe contact while moving the 4th. If the moving limb gets into a slippery or insecure point, your weight is safely anchored by the 3 safe contact points. When getting out, the last step is the most important. Watch for the unexpected, and never jump from a tractor. Maintain 3-point contact at all times. After the 48 is spotted and you are safely in the cab, the first step is to find the rear trailer of the outbound set. Park the tractor near the front of the rear outbound trailer, leaving enough room to move between vehicles. Move the tractor Kwik Loc switch to the 2-axle position. Do not put in the unlock position. Remove the safety pin from the tractor pintle hook. Remove the pins, 4 on each side, from the rear fifth wheel. Slide the fifth wheel onto the Kwik Loc. Reinsert the pins and fasten the safety clasps. Disconnect the air lines, light cord, and safety chains from the tractor and store them neatly in the Kwik Loc basket. The supply emergency line is pressurized. There will be a short rush of air when it is disconnected. If there is a constant flow of air, the tractor Kwik Loc switch is not in the 2-axle position. Make sure none of the lines or chains are hanging over the frame sides. Push the knob on the Kwik Loc brake control valve to release brakes. Back the tractor and Kwik Loc up to the trailer slowly so the Kwik Loc fifth wheel is as close to the trailer as possible without touching. Set the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Pull the knob out. Hold the tractor Kwik Loc switch in the unlock position and pull away slowly to allow the Kwik Loc adjustable support leg to drop down. Pulling away too quickly may result in the support leg failing to fully extend. Damage to the Kwik Loc unit may result. Stop when the Kwik Loc adjustable support leg is in the vertical position and the lunette eye still rests on the tractor rear crossmember. Install the pins in the adjustable support leg pivot and crank the swivel wheel downward to lift the lunette eye off the crossmember. Stow the handle. Pull away from the Kwik Loc and drive to the lead trailer. The tractor fifth wheel must be repositioned before you attempt to hook the lead trailer. Remove the pins from the tractor fifth wheel. Slide the fifth wheel to the middle set of 4 holes on the tractor frame. Do not position the fifth wheel all the way to the rear of the tractor. Reinsert the pins and fasten the safety clamp on each. Hook the lead outbound trailer. Raise the lead trailer dollies. Drive back to the Kwik Loc and rear outbound trailer. Back the lead trailer as close as possible to the tongue of the Kwik Loc without touching. This reduces your chances of misalignment, which will cause you to miss the kingpin on the rear trailer when you attempt to hook it. Raise or lower the lunette eye with the adjustable support leg crank until the eye will fit over the hitch assembly on the lead trailer. Release the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Push the knob in. Using the handle on the Kwik Loc frame, pull the lunette eye over the pintle hook. Lower the eye onto the pintle hook by cranking the adjustable support leg. Latch the pintle hook. Snap the clip on the lock indicator groove and hook the safety chains, light cord, and air lines to the lead trailer. Raise the swivel wheel assembly as far as possible and stow the handle. Remove pins from the adjustable support leg pivot and stow the pins in side holes. Lift the adjustable support leg by the handle on the rear side and install pins in pivot to hold the leg in folded position. Back the Kwik Loc under the rear trailer until the fifth wheel and kingpin lock. Raise the rear trailer dollies. Connect the Kwik Loc air lines to rear trailer. Connect the Kwik Loc light cord to rear trailer. The light cord will now be hooked trailer to trailer. Open the shutoff valves on the lead trailer glad hands. Some valves are on top of the glad hands, others are on bottom. Perform your pre-trip inspection. To convert the tractor from a 2-axle for 28-foot trailers to a 3-axle for a 45 or 48 is simply the reverse of the process for converting from 45-48 operations to 28-foot trailers. Park as instructed or in an area where dropping the rear trailer will not block traffic or the rest of your moves. Close the shutoff valves on the lead trailer glad hands. Push the knob on the Kwik Loc brake control valve to release brakes. Disconnect the air lines and light cord to rear trailer. Crank the trailer dollies down. Pull and set the release handle on the Kwik Loc fifth wheel and pull the lead trailer and Kwik Loc away. Drive to the area to drop the Kwik Loc. To drop the Kwik Loc, first lift the adjustable support leg with the handle and remove pins from the adjustable support leg pivot. Then lower to vertical position. Install pins in pivot. Use the crank to lower the adjustable support leg swivel wheel until it touches the ground. Connect the air lines removed from rear trailer to the Kwik Loc dummy glad hands. And connect the light cord to the Kwik Loc receptacle. Disconnect the air lines, light cord, and safety chains from the lead trailer and store neatly in the Kwik Loc basket. Make sure none of the lines or chains are hanging over the frame sides. Release the pintle hook lock on the lead trailer by removing the lock indicator clip. Pull the lock handle out and turn it up. Set the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Pull the knob out. Crank the adjustable support leg until the lunette eye clears the pintle hook. Make sure that the eye is disengaged before moving lead trailer. Pull the lead trailer away from the Kwik Loc. Spot and drop the lead trailer in the normal manner. Drive back to the Kwik Loc and back up to it, leaving enough space between the tractor and the Kwik Loc to move between the vehicles. Remove the pins from the tractor fifth wheel, 4 on each side. Slide the tractor fifth wheel all the way forward, the first set of 4 holes. Reinsert the pins and fasten the safety clasp on each. Back the tractor slowly until the rear crossmember is beneath and will support the lunette eye on the Kwik Loc. You must stop at this point to avoid damaging the Kwik Loc adjustable support leg. Lower the lunette eye onto the crossmember by cranking the swivel wheel upward. When the lunette eye is resting on the tractor rear crossmember, remove the locking pins from the adjustable support leg and stow. Back the tractor slowly into the Kwik Loc until the pintle hook engages and locks into the Kwik Loc lunette eye. There is no need to secure the adjustable support leg in this position. If you must pull away before hookup because of poor alignment, pull away slowly to allow the support leg to extend fully. Install the pins in the adjustable support leg pivot before pulling away from the Kwik Loc for realignment. Insert the safety pin in the tractor pintle hook before proceeding further. Connect the Kwik Loc light cord, air lines, and safety chains to the tractor. Remove the pins from the Kwik Loc fifth wheel and slide it completely onto the tractor frame, aligning the fifth wheel holes with the last set of 4 holes on the tractor frame. Do not hook a 45 or 48-foot trailer with the Kwik Loc fifth wheel in any other position. Reinsert the fifth wheel pins and fasten the safety clasp on each. Move the tractor Kwik Loc switch to the 3-axle position and lock it. Drive to the outbound 45 or 48 and hook the tractor and Kwik Loc to the trailer. Perform your pre-trip inspection. Park as instructed, or in an area where dropping the rear trailer will not block traffic or the rest of your moves. Break up the set and spot the trailers as shown before. Insert the safety pin in the tractor pintle hook before proceeding further. Connect one safety chain from the Kwik Loc to the tractor. Release the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Do not move the Kwik Loc switch in the tractor cab. You have not completely hooked the system together. You are simply moving the Kwik Loc. Drive to the front of the rear outbound trailer and back the tractor and Kwik Loc as close to it as possible without touching. Remove the Kwik Loc safety pin from the tractor pintle hook and remove the safety chain. Set the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Hold the tractor Kwik Loc switch in the unlock position and pull away slowly to allow the Kwik Loc adjustable support leg to drop down. Install the pins in the adjustable support leg pivot and crank the swivel wheel downward enough to lift the lunette eye off the crossmember. Stow handle. Drive to the lead trailer. Hook the lead outbound trailer. Drive back to the Kwik Loc and rear outbound trailer. Back the lead trailer as close as possible to the tongue on the Kwik Loc without touching. Release the brakes on the Kwik Loc. Raise or lower the lunette eye with the adjustable support leg crank assembly until the eye will fit over the hitch assembly on the lead trailer. Using the handle on the Kwik Loc frame, pull the lunette eye over the pintle hook. Lower the eye onto the pintle hook by cranking the swivel wheel up. Latch the pintle hook, snap the clip on the lock indicator groove, and hook the safety chains, light cord, and air lines to the lead trailer. Raise the swivel wheel as far as possible. Stow handle. Remove pins from adjustable support leg pivot and stow pins. Lift the adjustable support leg by the handle on the rear side and install pins in pivot to hold the leg in folded position. Back the Kwik Loc under the rear trailer until the fifth wheel and kingpin engage. Raise the rear trailer dollies. Connect the Kwik Loc air lines to the rear trailer. Connect the Kwik Loc light cord to the rear trailer. Open the shutoff valves on the lead trailer glad hands. Perform your pre-trip inspection. Remember, use the handholds when aligning the Kwik Loc with the pintle hook. Any movement of the Kwik Loc beyond the hooking procedure should be done with the tractor, not manually. If these instructions are followed, no lifting of the Kwik Loc is required or necessary. When moving the fifth wheel, be sure to use the Easy Slide bar to assist you. Never stand on the frame of the Kwik Loc or the tractor to move the fifth wheel. Be sure the Kwik Loc air system has been completely charged before attempting hookup. Contact your supervisor if you have any questions about specific drop and hook procedures at your location.